Hey guys, it's Lisa from Lisa and Lisa on Instagram, Lisa's Garden on Facebook. I just wanted to go over my beautiful Rubicon shed 6x8. It fits perfectly into this space. I love, in my garden, I actually love all the plants, but I also love to add things that add interest and also that fit in, and aesthetically they look great too. It's actually really strong. We've had like quite a few really windy days and storms over the last few weeks, and it's held up really well. I'm really happy. I love the lines of my shed. It fits into the space so beautifully. We took around 6 hours to put it up once all the concrete slab and that was done, so that was great. My hubby was on the tools and I was like sorting out all the bits, handing him the stuff, helping him to read the instructions. But yeah, it was really good. I'm really happy with it.